Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to fix a leaky sunroof once and for all. Leaky sunroofs can quickly turn a pleasant drive into a frustrating experience. The telltale drip, drip, drip is not only annoying but can also lead to potential water damage inside your vehicle. If you're facing this issue, fear not. With a few simple steps, you can learn how to fix a leaky sunroof and restore peace to your driving environment. The first step in resolving a leaky sunroof is to identify the source of the problem. Whether it's a clogged drain, damaged seal, or misaligned sunroof, pinpointing the issue is crucial to implementing an effective solution. Once you've determined the cause, you can move forward with the necessary repairs to seal up your sunroof and prevent further leaks. In this video, we'll walk you through the common causes of leaky sunroofs, provide step-by-step instructions for troubleshooting and fixing the issue, and offer valuable tips to ensure a lasting solution. Say goodbye to soggy seats and musty odors. Let's get started on resolving your leaky sunroof once and for all. Common causes of a leaky sunroof. When your sunroof starts leaking, it can be frustrating and damaging to your vehicle's interior. Two common culprits behind this issue are clogged drain tubes and a damaged seal around the sunroof. Clogged drain tubes. The drain tubes in your sunroof system are essential for carrying rainwater away from your vehicle. However, these tubes can easily get clogged with debris like leaves, dirt, or even mold. When this happens, water is unable to flow properly through the tubes, leading to overflow and leakage into your car's interior. Regularly checking and cleaning these drain tubes can help prevent this problem. Damaged seal around the sunroof. Another common cause of a leaky sunroof is a damaged seal surrounding the glass. Over time, the seal can wear down or crack, allowing water to seep through during rainy weather. This can result in water pooling on your headliner or dripping into the car, causing water damage and potential mold growth. Inspecting the seal for any signs of wear and tear and replacing it when necessary can help keep your sunroof watertight. Ensuring that both the drain tubes and the sunroof seal are in good condition is key to preventing leaks and maintaining a dry interior in your vehicle. By taking proactive steps to address these common causes, you can enjoy a leak-free sunroof driving experience. D steps to fix a leaky sunroof. Leaky sunroofs can be a nuisance, but you don't have to rush to the auto shop just yet. With a few simple do-it-yourself steps, you can tackle the issue head-on and save some bucks along the way. Let's dive into the DIY methods to fix a leaky sunroof. Locate the drain tubes. The first step in fixing a leaky sunroof is to locate and inspect the drain tubes. These tubes are responsible for carrying excess water away from the sunroof to prevent leaks. Check around the sunroof frame or in the corners of the roof lining for the openings of the drain tubes. Ensure they're free from debris or blockages that could be causing the leak. Clearing the drain tubes. Once you've located the drain tubes, it's time to clear any clogs that might be causing water to back up and leak into your vehicle. You can use a gentle stream of water or a pipe cleaner to carefully remove dirt, leaves, or other debris obstructing the tubes. Ensure the tubes are completely clear to allow water to flow freely. Inspect and repair the sunroof seal. Inspect the condition of the sunroof seal for any signs of wear or damage. A deteriorated seal can allow water to seep through, causing leaks. If you notice cracks or gaps in the seal, consider repairing or replacing it. You can use silicone sealant to patch up minor damages or opt for a replacement seal for more extensive repairs. Testing the sunroof for leaks. After clearing the drain tubes and assessing the sunroof seal, it's crucial to test the effectiveness of your repair efforts. One way to do this is by simulating rain conditions with a gentle spray of water over the sunroof. Monitor for any signs of leaks inside your vehicle. If the leak persists, revisit the drain tubes and seal them to ensure they are properly fixed. By following these DIY steps to fix a leaky sunroof, you can address the issue proactively and potentially avoid costly repairs down the road. Make sure to perform regular maintenance to keep your sunroof in top condition and prevent future leaks. When to seek professional help. Knowing when to seek professional help for a leaky sunroof is crucial to ensure the issue is resolved effectively. If you encounter persistent leaks after attempting DIY fixes or notice complex sunroof mechanism issues, it may be time to bring in the experts. Persistent leaks after DIY attempt. If you've tried to fix a leak in your sunroof on your own but find that the problem persists, it's a clear indicator that a professional inspection is needed. Signs to watch out for include water dripping inside your vehicle even after trying basic remedies like clearing debris from the drainage channels or adjusting the seal. Complex sunroof mechanism issues. In scenarios where you suspect there are intricate problems with the sunroof mechanism itself, such as issues with the motor, tracks, or seals, seeking professional help becomes essential. These components require specialized knowledge and tools to diagnose and repair accurately. Attempting to address these complex issues without the right expertise may lead to further damage and increased repair costs. Remember, your safety on the road and the integrity of your vehicle are paramount. Seeking professional assistance when DIY attempts fall short or when facing intricate sunroof mechanism issues can save you time, money, and potential future headaches. Preventive measures to avoid sunroof leaks. Taking preventive measures to avoid sunroof leaks can save you time and money in the long run. By incorporating simple maintenance tasks and investing in protective covers, you can ensure your sunroof remains leak-free for longer periods. Regular maintenance checks. Regular maintenance checks are essential to prevent sunroof leaks. Consider creating a routine to inspect and clean your sunroof components at least every few months. Start by visually examining the sunroof seals for any signs of wear or damage. Clean the seals gently using a mild soap solution and a soft cloth to remove dirt and debris that could compromise their effectiveness. Additionally, inspect the drainage channels to ensure they are clear of any obstructions such as leaves or debris that could impede water flow and cause leaks. By staying proactive with these maintenance tasks, you can help maintain the integrity of your sunroof and minimize the risk of leaks. Using sunroof covers. Investing in a sunroof cover is another effective way to prevent leaks. Sunroof covers provide an additional layer of protection against environmental elements that could lead to water intrusion. These covers act as a barrier between your sunroof and outside elements, such as rain, snow, and debris, reducing the likelihood of leaks. When selecting a sunroof cover, opt for one that is specifically designed for your vehicle's make and model to ensure a proper fit. Installing a sunroof cover is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your sunroof and prolong its lifespan. By incorporating regular maintenance checks and utilizing sunroof covers, you can proactively safeguard your sunroof against leaks and maintain its functionality for years to come. Taking these preventative measures can help you avoid costly repairs and ensure a watertight seal for your sunroof. Fixing a leaky sunroof doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can save yourself time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Remember to check the seal, clear any debris, and apply a sealant if needed. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future leaks, so make it a part of your routine. Don't let a leaky sunroof rain on your parade. Tackle it head-on and enjoy a dry, stress-free ride every time. Thanks for watching our guide on fixing a leaky sunroof. We hope these tips and techniques help you resolve any issues you may be experiencing with your sunroof. Remember to regularly inspect and maintain your sunroof to prevent future leaks. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.